Hi! Thank you very much for tuning back in. My name is Phonny. In my channel, I talk about my houseplant and my Hoyas. Today, it is an unboxing video that I wanted to quickly show you because now it is 11 p.m. already. And the whole reason why I'm doing this unboxing at night, it is because I have traveled all the way to Sweden to get this box. So basically I woke up at 5 and then now it's 11. So it has been a long day and I really want to unbox this one right away after I have come back home. So basically this one is another order that I made with We Love Aroids. I have ordered 2 Philodendron that I wanted for a very long time and then I saw them having it. And the first moment that I saw this one on We Love Aroids website, I immediately click buy. So it is a plant that I've been wanted for a while. So a little bit of background about the shipment before I unboxed it. I have placed the order around 3 weeks ago and they shipped it to Sweden based on my request, but because I need to book my ticket to go to Sweden, and they shipped it on Monday and then it actually arrived within 3 days in Sweden. However, it took me another 3 days. On Saturday I got the time to go to Sweden and pick it up. So it has been 6 days in the box and it is relatively warm in Sweden. It's between like 25 to 30. So fingers crossed this order is going to be okay. And the communication with We Love Aroid is really good, similar to last time. They're really flexible in the shipping, so I'm really happy about that. So let's not have any further ado. I'm going to unbox this one together with you. I can see some green. You can see that is packed very, very well, and it has so many cotton like this. So let's take a look. Just get rid of these ones. Can you guess what this one is? This one is Philodendron Elegans. I really like this plant and I'm really surprised. The size is bigger than I thought, and it's also packed very, very well. And it almost looks no shipping shock. Here's a close-up with the Elegans. This one looks a little bit dehydrated. I think this one is because it's a new leaf. That's the reason. And then it also have a new leaf coming up in the back. It looks like it has broke the caterpillar. Hopefully it's just the caterpillar, as I said, got broken. However, it's fine because the plant looks very healthy. And then this another leaf over here looks very healthy as well. And these are all the older leaves. Yeah, they look really nice, I would say. This one here is Philodendron Jerry Horne. I really like the mature form, and again, this one looks very, very healthy. Okay, I'm gonna show you a close-up. This one looks really good too. I'm really happy about the quality. It is because it has been in the box for 6 days and it's pretty warm as well. And all of the leaves are good. That one as well. Yeah, and also the new leaf looks pretty okay. Today is day 4 after I have unboxed the plant, It was a really late night, so I didn't got the chance and the good lighting to show you the condition of the plant. So the plant now has been acclimated to my environment in the 4th and 5th day now. And I would say I'm really happy so far. This is the 3rd leaf that came through, I believe. And this one is the newest leaf that is unfurled. It got a little bit browned off on the tip because I think it was in the box for 6 days, and that is totally understandable. However, the good news is the newest leaf actually has started pushing out already. You can see this one is the caterpillar that it got out from. And today I saw that it has been trying to unwrap itself already. So this is a really good sign of the plant is actually alive, first of all. Second of all is the plant is trying to acclimate to my environment. And this is also super lucky. If you see this part, it got ripped off during the transit, but it got super lucky that it didn't cut off the baby leaf within the caterpillar. So I believe this one is unhatted, which is extremely incredible. And looks like the newest leaf is not damaged at all during the transit. So that's a extra point that I would give to We Love Aroids packaging skill. And let's move on to another one over here. Just move a little bit to show you under the light. So this one here is Hoya. Did I say Hoya for the previous one? Oh my god. This one here is Philodendron Horne. I really like it because the mature form is really similar to Spirity Sancti. Obviously, I will not buy that plant under that amount of money, but I heard a lot of good things about this dupe, Jerry Horne. And again, the good news is the newest leaf is already working on pushing itself out. If you see that little opening over there, it wasn't like that on the day when I unboxed it, as you can see if you just go backwards to the video. So basically this leaf is growing during this only past 5 days, and all of the leaf I can report on the 5th day today, all of them are not yellowing, not having any damages, and just happily surviving under my condition. So I'm super happy to report to you these 2 plants are doing well in the 5th day. Well, thank you very much to stay until now. I wish you enjoy the unboxing video as much as I do unboxing them. So I have showed you the 5-day update of the plant condition after I unboxed it. I would say the final comments that I have for We Love Aroids are continuously, just like the video before, really good. They have really good packaging, and also the plant quality comes out really good. As I said, during the transit you could expect 1 or 2 leaf drop, and also yellowing on the tip of the leaves are very normal. So I would like to conclude I really want to purchase from We Love Aroids again, just that I need to book into another trip to Sweden. Well, if you like this video and you enjoy the content and you want me to make some similar video, please be generous to hit the like button and also share this video with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please feel free to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out next time when I post similar content. Until next time, I wish everyone is having a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!